Are you troubled with acne, pimples, and scars and cannot seem to do anything about it? Well, I have a solution for you. Hey guys, it's Dhruva Gandhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is another product review video in which I will be reviewing the entire Neem Tea Tree range by this brand called the Wow Skin Science. So we'll be doing a demo of all the products from this range. Like I'll show you what comes in the box, how do you apply it, what are the ingredients of that particular product, and also I'll be sharing my honest review, like what I feel about the products after using them for a week. With that being said, I'd also like to add, it is a proudly owned Indian brand, and we as influencers and all of us as individuals should definitely support our home brands and products and businesses. So like I said earlier, today's video is about their entire Neem Tea Tree anti-acne range, and I'm giving myself some time to try these products honestly, because I have products from several ranges and I don't want to use them simultaneously, because then I wouldn't know what's working for me and what's not working for me. So I have dedicated a week to every range. So I have been using this particular anti-acne range for 7 days on myself, and then I'm making this review video. So this is what I'm going to do with all the different ranges that I've received. So I'll be trying them for at least a week and then make this video. So you will be seeing one video every week, one product review or range review video from Wow Skin Science every week. Okay, so now I feel I've done enough blabbering, and without wasting any more of your time, let us quickly dive into the video. But before that, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, like this video, press that little bell icon so that you get notified whenever a new video goes live, and you will be seeing a lot of these product reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare videos, some fashion videos, some lifestyle videos as well on this channel. So if you are up for all of that, make sure you subscribe. So the first product from Wow Skin Science is their anti-acne face wash. It is a 100 ml tube. It comes with this flip cap, which is very convenient to use, and it is priced at 249 rupees. Now talking about the ingredients of the anti-acne face wash by Wow Skin Science is that it contains tea tree essential oil, it has neem leaves, it has mulberry, and it has lycurate extracts. It is infused with natural actives, and it has no parabens, it has no sulfate, it has no silicone, and it has no color, and that is the reason why the face wash is transparent in its texture. Now some of the key things that the face wash will help you achieve is that it will help you control acne, blackheads and whiteheads. It will help ease redness and itchiness. So if you have acne prone skin, you know that your skin tends to itch a lot and it gets red, so it will help you reduce that, or it will give you an ease with that. Then it will help lighten acne scars and spots as well. Now this is ideal for acne prone skin types. It is perfect for everyday use. So I have been using it twice a day since the past 7 days. It deeply cleanses your skin. It gently exfoliates your skin, and they do recommend a patch test before you try the product on your face. So if you have very sensitive skin, make sure you do a patch test before you use it on your face. Now let us quickly move on to the demo of how to use the anti-acne face wash by Wow Skin Science. So guys, this is what my face feels and looks like after using the face wash. So my personal skin type is a combination skin. So my T-zone is oily and the rest of my skin is normal. So whenever I tend to use a face wash which is oil meant for oily skin, my face tends to get a little bit dry. But I do not feel any dryness on my face. My skin feels normal after using this. Also, I have not had any reactions or any allergies or any acne popping here and there, because when I change a product or shift to a different face wash I feel is a very personal thing, and we shouldn't change our face washes that frequently, and whenever I tend to do that my skin reacts to it and I always have some acne popping up here and there. But I've been using it for a week now and I haven't have had a single acne on my face, which I think is a very good sign. Also, the product smells like tea tree, natural neem tea tree kind of a fragrance it has, and I really love and enjoy products with that scent. So I really like that thing about it. And also the best part why I feel so comfortable using and trying products from Wow Skin Science is because they have no parabens, no sulfates, no silicone, no color, none of those harmful things in it, and that is what makes it very easy for me to adopt these products and include them in my skincare regime, because I know that these products are free from all those harmful stuff. And this face wash has really worked for me so far. And also all the products that I'll be reviewing in this video, I'll be leaving links to Amazon in the description box below, and also their website and their application links and everything, all of that in the description box below. So if you want to check these products out or even buy them for yourself, you'll find all the links in the description box below. Moving on, we have this very popular product of Wow Skin Science, especially from their 2020 range, which is their anti-acne neem and tea tree clay face mask. Now, I have heard a lot about this product and we have seen so many influencers trying these, so many people sharing their review about it, and I was really excited when I got this. I even shared it in my Instagram story how excited I was to receive this product and try it for myself. So I have applied this twice in the last week. I also made my mom apply it, I also made my dad apply it, and I also made my younger sister apply it, because all of us have different skin types and I really wanted to see if how it reacts to different skin types and what everybody else is feeling. So I made all of them use this as well, and I also tried it on my face twice for the last week. So as you open, we have this box which contains the clay mask, and another thing that I love about this is that it comes with this brush. It's not actually a brush, it's a silicone kind of a thing which makes the application of the clay mask super easy. And honestly, I was more excited about this thing than the clay mask itself. So this is how the packaging looks like. It is a 200 ml container and it is priced at $4.99, but I feel that Amazon has some discounts going on every now and then, so you will definitely get some off on this. And as you can see, it had an opening lid over here, but obviously I have used it. As you can tell, I do not have that over here, so this is not an actual unboxing because I have used the product, but I preserved all of this to show in the video. So this is how the product looks like. This is the consistency. It is in a very light mint green color, and it smells really good. It smells really good, and the consistency is also thick like any other clay mask. So before I show the demo of the product, let us talk about the ingredients and what the brand says it will do to your skin. So this particular clay mask is rich in neem. It has neem extract in it. It has tea tree essential oils in it. It has bentonite, which is a volcanic ash clay that draws out impurities. So since it's a clay mask, they have this particular ingredient called bentonite, which is a volcanic ash clay. Then we have jojoba oil in it, which is rich in vitamin B complex and E, and this face mask helps to draw out deep-seated impurities and dead skin cells. It will help refine and minimize your pores. It will reduce acne flare-ups. It will clarify your skin, fade scars and remove dullness. It will restore skin's natural moisture levels. It will improve skin elasticity and make it supple. Alright, so that's all about the product that they have to say. They have obviously mentioned all the key ingredients and everything on the box, so they are really transparent about what they put in the product, so you can definitely go ahead and read that out. And as they say, it comes with a spatula. They've also mentioned all the directions on how to use the product, so I feel that is a really good thing. And yeah, let us begin with the demo. So I'm done applying the face mask and I feel a little bit of burning sensation on my nose, probably because I have open pores on my nose, but other than that it's totally fine. So now I'm just going to enjoy my coffee and let this mask sit for 15 minutes. So guys, it's been about 15 minutes and the face mask has properly dried. One thing that I've observed is that this face mask does not dry up like normal clay mask. I don't know the reason for it, but it does not dry up. It has obviously dried, but it does not crack up. So yeah, it's time to remove the clay mask, and they have not instructed anything. They've just said that rinse thoroughly with plain water for toned and radiant skin. But what I personally like to do is I always like to remove my face mask or clay mask with a washcloth. So that is what I'm going to do. So guys, I have washed the clay mask and this is how my skin looks like. It feels so much fresh, and if I may say so, even a tone or two brighter. It's glowing in fact, and it's a very refreshing feeling. I love the scent of the entire range, including the clay mask. So it smells really good, and it feels softer and gentler than it was. And I am sure you can tell on the camera there's no change in the lighting setup or anything. Like, I have a lighting setup, I do not have a lighting setup, but there's no change in the lighting of the room or anything, but still you can see how brighter my skin looks. So I don't think I have to say much about the product because the result speaks for itself. And like I mentioned earlier that my entire family tried the product, and in fact my mom loved it, and she was like, I'm going to use this every week. So she was really happy with the clay mask, and I feel it is for acne prone skin, but I feel anybody can use it because there are no side effects or no allergic reactions or anything, and it definitely makes your skin brighter. And I can literally feel that all the dead skin or whatever impurities were on my face have been removed, because I can tell from the texture of my face. So it feels really good, and yeah, I would really recommend this product. If you're looking for a clay mask, consider giving this a try. Now coming on to the last product from the anti-acne range by Wow Skin Science is their face serum. Now obviously it is from the same range, so the ingredients are almost similar. It has neem leaf oil, it has tea tree oil, it is caviar lime fruit extract. Again, it is paraben free, silicone free, and it has no fragrance as well. And it is suitable for all skin types, including oily skin. Now I feel they've mentioned this specifically because there is a misconception that if you have oily skin, you shouldn't use any face serum on your skin, but that's not true. The reason your face is producing more oil is because it lacks it. So I feel if you have oily skin, you should moisturize. If you have oily skin, you should definitely use a face serum, because that is how you will provide your skin of things that it is missing. So you should definitely use it even if you have oily skin, and it is suitable for all skin types like I said. And this is oil free. So let us open it, and yeah, before that, this is a 30 ml packaging and it is priced at 599 rupees. Again, the link to the product will be in the description box below, Amazon link and all those. Now this is what the product looks like. It is a glass bottle and it is a spot therapy. It will help to control acne and brighter complexion. Now let us pump it up. So we are going to take just 1-2 pumps probably. 2 pumps of it. So this is how it looks like. It is not oily in texture. It's not water, obviously. It's not oily, but it's more gel-like in texture. So I'm just going to take this from my palm and apply it on my face. So after you have applied your clay mask, or if you have done any sort of masking, it's very important that you apply either a face serum or a face moisturizer. And these days, as per the beauty trend, people prefer using a face serum and then coating it with a layer of moisturizer or your sunscreen. So see, it has already been absorbed in my skin and it does not feel sticky or oily. It's very quick in its absorption, like it gets absorbed in 30 seconds. It's that quick. And though they say it has no fragrance, but I can feel certain fragrance in it. Probably it's because of the natural ingredients, but I wouldn't say that it has no fragrance. It does have a little bit of fragrance. Now let us talk about what the brand claims the serum has, so or would claim to do. It will help reduce acne breakout, it will fade scars and spots, it will purify and minimize pores, it will repair and boost skin renewal process, it will enhance collagen, and it will even out skin, calm redness and flare-ups. So I have been using this once a day, though they say you have to supposed to use it twice a day, morning and evening, but I have been using it in my night skincare routine. So after I've washed my face, I do not obviously apply the clay mask every day. So after I washed my face, I use the serum and then I use my night cream on top of it. So I've been using it in my night skincare routine, and probably maybe that is the reason why even after changing my face wash, my skin did not break out, because I was making sure that I use the right serum to coat my skin. So yeah, I like the serum. The only thing is it's a glass bottle, so it might break, so you have to be really careful about that. And they say it has no fragrance, but it does have fragrance, and it's not oily, which I love about the serum, because I personally do not love serums which are oily in texture, because they tend to make your skin really sticky and all, especially in monsoons. So I'm against, if that's the right word to use, I do not like oily serum. So the consistency of the serum is more like aloe vera gel or a gel like serum. So that is what I really like about the serum. And yeah, that's all I have to say about the face serum. So guys, that is my honest review about the anti-acne range from Wow Skin Science. One thing that I want to share this, whenever you order a product from Wow Skin Science, and if you want to check the authenticity of the product, you have this QR code. You'll either have a QR code or you'll have a golden sticker in which the QR code would be mentioned, and if you scan it, you will get all details about the product, and this is an assurance for authenticity. So wherever, from whichever portal you order these products, you can scan this QR code and check for the authenticity of the product. One more thing that I want to talk about is that Wow Skin Science is having a freedom sale on 14th and 15th of August 2020, and they are going to be having lots of amazing discounts all across their website. So you can check their website or their Instagram handle for all details about it. And if you are considering ordering any of the products, then you should definitely check their products on 14th and 15th of August. Also, Wow Skin Science has their own mobile app now, which is very easy to navigate for ease of ordering and checking out everything, all their new ranges, because trust me, they have a lot of products, and every other time there are new launches happening, and thus they have made an application which makes it really easy to navigate and check out all of their products. So I'll be leaving a link in the description box below if you want to in case download their mobile application.